Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are here with the giant F350 because we're testing out another one of the products that Avalon King sent out to us, which is their rim reaper, as they call it, wheel and tire cleaner. So this truck has nice big rims and they are covered with brake dust. So it's a good example to show you just how well this stuff works. Now you can spray it on by itself if you want, or you can hose them down and then spray it on. I'm gonna hose them down because you can use a little bit less of this. You don't have to use as much. So we'll give it a quick hose down. We'll squirt some on here and I'll show you how well it works. All right, so all you gotta do, give it a quick hose down. Nothing crazy. Take your bottle, give it a little shake, and then you don't need a ton of it. These are bigger rims, obviously. Spray it on just like that and let it sit. Now I don't know how well the video will pick it up, but if you look at the bubbles here, you can see it's turning brown or golden because it's getting all the oils and any other tire dressing you might have on these things off, as well as all the brake dust is going to work to the bottom. So all you got to do now, get yourself a wheel brush. Go all the way around, clean the wheels off, and then we'll do the same thing with the rims. All right, then for the wheels, I recommend for the little spots, just get yourself a brush. You don't have to do anything fancy. It doesn't take much. This stuff does all the work for you. You just want to agitate everywhere. Make sure you get all the nooks and crannies around your lug nuts. You can get in all those spots. Again, you can do the same around here, or get yourself a little cloth, microfiber. You can see it foams up nice. You basically are just agitating it and it'll lift all the brake dust and dirt and whatever else is on here off. Again, you can do the same thing on the rims like this. So we're gonna go around, do the rest, hose it down, and we'll see how it looks. All right, so everything was wiped down just like you saw. We hit it with the hose just to rinse all the suds off, and this is what you're left with. Got nice shiny rims. You can see the water for the most part is making its way to the bottom. So get yourself a cloth and just wipe dry all of this. And then once we get it all dried up, I'll show you exactly how it looks and what you can expect. All right, so they are hosed down, they are dried off, and this is the shine you're left with. You can see just how good it looks. You can see yourself in there. Now, they also have sent me out, which will be in the next video, this stuff. They're graphene tire dressing. So that'll take care of the faded tires. But if you want to see that, follow the next video. But what they do recommend, and they actually sell this as a bundle on their site even, is you get this Psycho Pro. I did another video on this if you want to see it separately, but what we're gonna do is just give it a couple little spritzes. You don't need a bunch. Wipe it down, and not only will it keep the shine looking like this, but it's gonna be a lot harder for stuff to stick. It doesn't matter. You can see I missed a little bit there drying it. That doesn't matter. Just make sure when you put this stuff on, you spray it in, kind of wipe it down just like you're drying something, and then buff it off, and that's as easy as it gets. All right, so here is a before shot of how your wheels look. And then if you come to the back, now that it's all coated, not only with the wheel and tire cleaner, but we hit it with the detailing spray as well. You can see you're left with that shine. And like I said, we're also going to spray it with the wheel cleaner or the tire dressing, which I'll give you a sneak peek in this video. Over here in the sunshine, this is what you're going to be left with once the tire dressing goes on. It's still drying a little bit. It's pretty fresh, but as you can see, it gets all the ugly brownness off there. It's left with your black, and it's not a super shiny tire dressing. You can see once it dries, it just looks like your dull black tires that you buy when you get them new. But again, this is what you're left with. So if you want to pick up the product, I'll leave the comment down below. Like and subscribe to the video, and stay tuned for the full video on the tire dressing.